Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by preparing the essentials so the setup is fast. First, power up the Pixel and choose your language. Sign in with your Google account to restore apps and settings. Once done, connect to a secure Wi-Fi network to download updates and transfer data. Make sure to insert the SIM or set up eSIM now so calls and texts work immediately. Finally, create a screen lock, PIN, pattern, or fingerprint because securing the device during setup avoids extra steps later. You'll now configure the Pixel's core services so it works smoothly. Start restoring apps and data either from your Google backup or with quick switch over a cable. This saves passwords and app state. Then open settings to set location accuracy, enable Google Assistant voice match, and review privacy controls so permissions match your comfort level. Make sure to check System Software Update and update any pre-installed apps. Enabling automatic updates keeps security patches current without manual effort. You're finishing by personalizing and validating core functions. Customize display brightness, dark theme, gesture navigation, and battery saver to fit your habits. This improves comfort and battery life. Test phone calls, camera, notifications, and pair Bluetooth accessories to confirm everything works. If something fails, try rebooting first, verify the SIM or eSIM is active, and reset network settings as a targeted fix. If apps misbehave, clear app cache or reinstall the problematic app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.